Hey, car enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of DIY car cleaning with some incredible hacks and tips to keep your ride looking its best. Welcome to a video filled with easy and effective ways to make your car sparkle without breaking a sweat. Tip number 1. Opt for specialized car cleaning products. First tip. When it comes to cleaning your car, ditch the household cleaning products designed for surfaces like parquet and tiles. Cars have different materials, so it's crucial to choose products specifically crafted for automotive care. Tip number 2. Streamlined windshield cleaning. Second tip, crystal clear visibility is essential for a smooth drive. Ever thought of using cola on a muddy windshield? It's a simple and cost-effective trick to make stains vanish. Or mix ammonia with water, apply it to your windshield, and wipe it dry for a spotless finish. Tip number 3. Floor mats matter. Tip 3. Don't forget about your floor mats. Whether they dry quickly or not, use a brush, a vacuum, or give them a good shake to keep them clean and fresh. Tip number 4. Ventilation system TLC. Tip 4. Your car's ventilation system needs some love too. Run the AC on high and use a fine brush to eliminate dust from the vents for a breath of fresh air. Tip number 5. Temperature awareness. Tip 5. Just as you wouldn't wash your car in the rain, avoid doing it in scorching heat. Excessive sun can lead to soap stains, hindering that perfect, clean look. Tip number 6. Don't skip the drying process. And finally, tip 6. After washing your car, don't just let it air dry. Prevent water spots by using a squeegee or a soft towel. Now, you can relax and enjoy a drive in your freshly cleaned ride. With these fantastic tips, you can easily keep your car in top-notch condition. I hope these DIY car cleaning hacks make your life a little easier. Remember, a clean car equals a smooth ride. Thanks for tuning in, and until the next video, happy driving!